To another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make this nice good okra with a deep fryer. Very easy, simple, much better than frying them on a stove. They don't have all that grease on and stuff. Anyways, follow along and I'll show you how I did it. First things first, we're going to cook a bag of okra, but we're going to use the air fryer for this. That's right, we're going to try the air fryer. Okay, what you want to do is we're going to take some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to take at least 1 tablespoon, that's it, and put it all over it. You want to at least get a little bit of olive oil mixed in with it. You don't want it to, you want at least to have a little bit of it. I mean, that's the rule. Okay, we'll come back in a minute. Okay, we're going to dump it into the pot. Okay, we want a teaspoon of salt. Like that. Just a little bit more olive oil to make sure it got on it. We're going to put this on about 500. About, I'm going to have it, let me look over here, for about 250, between 250 and 220, or 320, for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back. That's what they look like. I just nailed that down. Well, then we're going to put them over here. Okay, take a look at them. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what I did with a fryer. With no hardly any oil. And they're very good. Oh my god, hot but good. Anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.